had a feeling we had something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here waiting for you.